There's a few shell creatures in this system. Seems as if it probably might be shrimp. It's another fish there. It's on the rock. I don't know what kind of fish it is. Right? So some of these fish that we actually purchase in the pet store may as well be in Jamaican waters, but I am not 100% sure. Yeah, a few more fish. There they are. They're on the rock. I don't know what kind of fish these are. Several snails. Several snails. Right in the water. Several different type of fish. Now, while the fish is actually hiding right here right now, we have a section over here in which persons are actually bubbling and swimming and enjoying themselves. Right, nice scenery, nice, beautiful. And then you have some big size fish in the water, but as explained before, I can see them, but they are not that visible on the camera. Several snails, several fish. Yeah, there's another fish here. Another fish here. I don't know if you can see it, it's swam away. So I am along the Wag Water channel, trying to show you some of the freshwater endemic species to Jamaica. Tell the truth, I don't know them by name. Right. See any fish?
Yes, I'm just one large fast or so.
They are very fast and they have the color of the water, very clear. One of the reasons for that is that it helps them to stay alive away from predators, as shared with you before. Now during a heavy downpour, all of these rocks will be covered with water and the water will look murky brown, right, like mud water. All of this will be covered, and some of these stones will actually be carried a little further downstream. So this is the pattern now. Today this is the pattern now as how the rocks are laid out, right? Today, April 1st, 2018. Probably the next 4 or 5 months after the hurricane season starts, it might look a different way. The rocks might be laid out differently. And at the end of the hurricane season, it laid out differently again, because the movement of the water downstream shift the rock as it goes through periodically transportation, through traction and corrosion, abrasion and saltation. Minerals and rocks and sand and sediments are carried downstream. So today is Easter Sunday. A lot of persons go to church, but for Jamaica, it's all about entertainment. Well, kind of family day like, where persons actually just come to the river to have a bath. Right? River is flowing, Temperature is alright. Place is overcast. Mountainside. Looking really natural. Now the river bed is wide, but as you can see, the river bed is not fully washed with water. A section of it is it's mostly sand and stone, as a result of what you call transportation of sand, soil and sediments. The noise in the background is a means of entertainment for persons presently at this location, Castleton Gardens, Jamaica, St. Mary.